OMG, what? Follow E. OMG, who? Follow E. OMG, yeah, follow E. Who that be? Hell, that be me. Follow E. What's up? OMG, follow E. Gang, gang, gang. What's going on out there in YouTube? Right today, baby. Well, today, y'all, we are going to try this African food that's been trending out here and everything. I want y'all to know that this is my first time trying it with the fufu and all of that. So we just gonna get started, all right? Introduce yourself.
Hi, I am Tara, and this is also my first time. So excuse any facial
And I mean, we don't mean no harm, but it is our first time trying. I have water, agua to drink. What do you have?
And I have me some fruit punch.
Some fruit punch. Some fruit punch. Well, let me get my prayer on. Thank the Lord for this food that I'm about to receive. Let it be nourished to our body and strengthen our health in Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen.
Put some respect on it, okay? I want to thank the mothers and the fathers, aunties, grandparents, anybody that's raised a kid, take care of kids, doing the things that they need to provide, give the kids that things that they need, not always what they want. I just want to tell you that I thank you, I adore you, and I appreciate you so much. Okay, y'all. All right. It's one of these things I don't remember what it is. So we're just coming from Shuri restaurant,
Shuri African restaurant.
Shuri African restaurant, and I know one or two. One I can't repeat. I don't know. Oh, this here is goat stew, and y'all know I'm not at home, but this is how it looks. So I can only show y'all the best way I can show you because I'm not at home. That is goat soup. Okay, I do know that because I personally wanted some. Okay. All right. The next thing we have right here, I hope I know what I'm doing. I hope I'm saying it right. You'll pull the menu up right quick because I'm not sure about one of them. This one right here, I think this is the one I don't know. But I know it has the fufu with it.
The menu is not available.
Oh, the menu is not available?
Right.
Okay. I got the fufu with it. And go back out. Let me see. Can you go back? Go back one more. Go into it. Shuri at the top. No, hit menu right there. Just the menu. Yeah. Because it can't. Yeah. There you go.
There you go, right here.
Okay, so this one here, can we pull it? Shoot, it might not be a good.
What is it? Oh, some kind of soup. Right, this
is EGUSI soup with assorted meats. Well, I got this with chicken. You want to hold this up and let's do a thumbnail real quickly?
Ooh. Yeah. Get into it. I'm pretty excited to eat this.
I know it feels funny, don't it? However, we're gonna try that, and then we had one more. It's called okra soup. I remember this one because I think was it Tay and Lou try this one. So while we getting this all out, check out what we did when we was downtown. Check it out. Good and down. Ooh, they got an outside bar down here. What's up, y'all? I am downtown Dallas, and I want y'all to see what is going on down here, honeys. I still have a few more days here, y'all. So I'm just excited. This is beautiful down here, okay, y'all? So I'll just give y'all a little bit more of what I'm doing while I'm here. So check out a little more of downtown, baby. I'll get back with y'all in a little bit. Peace. What's up, y'all? I'm in Texas. I'm in Dallas. What's going on in Texas? What? I'm in Dallas. Ain't this nice, y'all? Oh. Y'all, what's going on, my OMG Follow E fans? What's going on? Show y'all some more stuff. They got like some real tall. I'll take it this pole at first.
I can't get in the camera.
Y'all, baby, I had me a good time. I done had me some drinks. I done had me a good burger. And we out here chilling. What's going on with you?
Whoa, what's down, babe?
What? What? I got her on camera?
I know, right?
OMG. Follow E if I got her to get on the camera. Okay. That's my sister, y'all. That's who I came to see. Thank you for showing a little bit of yourself. All right. Okay, y'all. I got about one more day here. Well, a day and a half here. So I'm going to have some more stuff to show y'all a little bit more. I got something coming up for you. So I'll see y'all, all right? Hey. All right, y'all. I'm back. We took that out. I hope y'all enjoyed some of the downtown lighting and scenes and all of that we did. I added that into there. And this is the okra stew. So we had another fufu, another one of these. And we had the okra. That's the only thing y'all haven't seen. So we finna dig into this. This one we'll probably need for the bowl. For this one. All right, y'all. Pray for us on this.
Please.
We never tried this before. So which one you want to try first? Do you want to try this one first? Or
Let's
you want to try the
this
okra?
one first,
Okay.
not the okra. This
Okay.
one.
You can open your fufu.
You want to open both of them?
Mm-hmm. Everybody just come, you want to try it? Just leave this one. I'm just leave them right there inside and plop it right there. Okay. Well, we're going to try this, the one I spelled out for y'all, because I don't know what this means. And it looked good. And it smelled good. So, they say you're supposed to take the dough and pinch off a piece. Some people did smaller pieces. So I'm gonna do a smaller piece. I'm not gonna do a big piece because I wanna see how it tastes. You ready?
You're supposed to stick your fingers in it?
Yeah. You just pick it up. You use this and just pick the bread up with it like that.
Okay. I really don't have a flavor
It doesn't have a flavor.
at all.
I mean, I'm thinking we had put a little bit more on, not a little bit more of the dough,
Something.
but a little bit more of the,
Let me just put some in my bowl.
yeah.
What is this?
You really wouldn't even taste it because the spice, this is chicken. Oh, shoot. Oh, this is a back of a chicken. No wonder we can't dig down up in there. And then they got the rubber, the skin. I'm sorry for that big. However, I think I want to eat it with a spoon too.
It don't really have a taste.
Mm-mm.
Not at all.
It's not nasty.
It just
doesn't have
taste
a flavor.
something.
Mm-mm. I have to
couldn't
dig
pour
into
that
this chicken. Mm-mm. This the back. I don't know. Is there another piece over there? Is that a leg quarter? They gave us some funky pieces of chicken in it. I don't want to make a mess. Can I get a napkin on napkin one?
Yeah, there's no way
There's no way, is it?
to get this chicken.
I can say that the chicken is not easy to break.
I got a little piece.
You did? It's not easy to break to see what's going on. It's kind of like tough. Let me see what it tastes with a little piece of.
It just doesn't. It doesn't have the taste. None of it.
I don't think whatever this sauce is bad. It's not spicy. The chicken,
Yeah, chicken is definitely a no-go.
That's a no-go for the chicken. And I'm not trying to be disrespectful, but Can I get a napkin? Mama don't want me to have that.
We need to show Mama video
Well, she out there.
so they can see who's behind.
I'm gonna have her. My friend don't want to get on camera. She did get on camera last night a little bit. Yeah, no for me. So we also have the okra stew that has chicken in it, and hopefully this ain't chicken.
bad.
Maybe cooked differently. Okay, let's go back in.
Spicy. I can eat this.
Even though
Definitely eat these.
I'm not a fan of okra being a little too slimy,
Right.
but with the fufu, it kind of gave it a little something. Like you don't even know you're eating fufu with it.
Let's see if you can break the chicken in this one.
Well, hopefully they gave us a leg quarter.
Oh.
What's that here right there?
Take this. Yeah.
Oh, we got this piece already. I got that loose.
Sophisticated ass.
Yeah. Okay, that's a little chewy. I don't know.
I'm laughing at the background audience.
Mhm.
If y'all wondering.
The one that should have made us a pizza on this end, but when I come back, she gonna make that pizza. Okay. That was just a wing. So y'all know how I feel about them anyway. Y'all, I can't have no paper towels in this house.
I'm gonna get you.
My mouth all messed up. I got thread. I got a little piece of paper towel. She ripped it in half. This is a messy eating video. You laughing at us back there?
We're getting treated so bad today, y'all.
Baby, I'm gonna let y'all hear some of the audio that started in the beginning because I taped it. I'm gonna play some of the audio in the background, y'all. That's actually good. I'll eat that.
Here go your pizza neck.
She ain't even used the scissors. She just nibble across it and gave it to me. Y'all don't come to church without your own paper towel, okay?
Yeah, my child is going against me.
No, never.
My child going against me.
Mia, don't be in there trying to take my mama.
She said, Yeah, you go your piece.
Mia don't be in there trying to take my mama away from me now.
That's good.
Yeah.
Okay, she
gonna
done
eat some
dirtied
of
up
that
her goat stew bowl.
Well, I can clean it up, bro. Get it up real quick.
Baby, I'm gonna have to go take me a bath. Cause I can't wipe my face. Okay. Y'all, this is the goat soup.
I'm kind of nervous about this part. I'm kind of nervous about this part now.
Let me check the broth.
Let me get
The
this
broth is
broth.
everything.
How the broth taste?
Looks spicy.
Very spicy.
Yeah. But you like spicy, right?
I like it.
You like it?
It's spicy, but it's good.
That's what's up.
All right, here go this goat meat. Tastes like a ham hock.
Nah.
Tastes like a ham hock.
I think they should put rice in here.
Yeah.
It's kind of like she gave me a little piece and didn't come back and give me a full one.
Okay. I get it a 9 out of 10 for the soup.
The soup. I'll tell you this, if you got a good cold, that spice there should make your nose run. Just really, really run, okay? Okay, so you give that, I give it about an 8.
For the goat.
Yeah, because I would like my pieces to be cut a little bit different.
Yeah.
What you give the okra stew,
I get acres about an 8.
it's about a 7, 8.
7, 8.
Yeah,
The chicken is what makes that the 8.
okay.
Yeah.
The-
That
No.
I don't care
As
for.
far as the sauce, it had just been, it needed something else. But the chicken, just the pieces that was chosen to be given out, they just was too overcooked or something. I don't know.
Overcooked old something.
That's it. Pretty well
Yeah.
much it.
I wouldn't rate that.
We have one more thing that we're gonna try. She has never had. It's smoked salmon. I know this is totally away
I thought
from
you
what we
was gonna
eat.
cook that.
No,
Oh.
it is cooked.
All right.
But I normally use the little crackers, but I'm only gonna use these because it got a little flavor to it too. So it's like a little cracker, so get you one.
Find the biggest one. I get the smallest one.
How do you rate the fufu?
I get a fufu at 5.
I think if they add a little seasoning,
It's just too dewy for me.
let's do it. But when we mixed it with that, it wasn't bad.
No.
It kind of helped it, but it didn't help it with the first one.
Because it's just flavorless.
It was
Very
flavorless.
flavorless.
And this was flavorless. So, okay. We got chip. I hope I cut this. Yeah.
Give me the smallest piece.
We're not going to give you the smallest piece. I'll just split one with you.
Yeah, let's do that part.
And then it might be one cut small. You just try African food, so if you try African food, you could try this. So there go one kind of broke up. Now you get one. There go one right there. It probably break up on you, so you'll
Where
end up right there.
And mine's didn't break. Look at that.
That's all right. Just get enough that you can try it.
Oops, making a mess.
Yes. Okay. I love making people try things. So you ready? 1, 2.
She don't like it.
I bet you she do.
She don't like it. Look at the baby.
I bet you she do. The audience says she don't like it.
Mm-hmm. Right.
You don't like it?
Mm-mm.
It lasted in her mouth longer than what I thought it would. Y'all come try a piece.
When I seen her face, she got it.
You gotta come try this. Okay.
Come on, try a piece.
Sorry about that.
People, what she just spit out?
Uh-huh.
I eat Fufu, I eat that.
Uh-uh.
What is it?
It is smoked salmon. It's almost like this without the cheese. What we eat with the wine. Come on. You ain't gotta get out here if you don't want to.
Let me try it.
That's soup, baby. If I had a cold,
Washed it out.
no,
It's pretty cool.
it's smoked.
It's smoked.
Mm-hmm. That's why I got the Dorito, because I thought it would give you a little bit more little flavor, yeah.
I'm gonna go in right here. It's not bad. It's really not.
I told
It's
you.
really not that bad.
Okay, told you. Uh-huh, uh-huh.
I think that chip definitely helps.
It helps it out. That's why I got the Dorito. For people to...
You in the camera. Go in the camera.
She was in the camera. I put the
But
camera
tell
on the
them
face.
She put, y'all need a
Go back.
Okay.
Let me get a half a napkin.
Damn right.
Look.
Don't let her talk y'all into not using them
Go back in
napkins.
the camera and tell her what you see.
Tell-
Put my baby in
Tell.
the camera, baby.
Okay, so the Doritos definitely help. Like, I only tasted the Doritos. It just kind of had like a fish taste to it, which is salmon, so it's fish. So
But not overpower the
it's
fish.
definitely not. It's like
Okay.
I give it a 9 out of 10. Like, I definitely like it.
Try it again.
Now you might be on to something. It might taste different the second time. So you might be on to
It
something.
usually does.
Yeah, look, see, she know what
But I
it
ain't
is.
gonna
sometimes.
test it for the second time.
She said one time is too many.
Uh-huh.
Okay, one more. We're gonna go in one more time. It's the same.
Nah, nanny boo boo. I done taught you something very, very new.
It's definitely not that bad at all.
Nah, I got one to turn.
Yeah, one and done. One and done. One and done.
You see, you hear me in the background. I'm like, it's nasty.
I don't need the chip. You give me a little glass. You give me a little glass of wine. I ain't just like and you could pair it with a good cheese as well. But anyway, I like y'all. I thank y'all so much for like coming out here doing this video with me and everything. I really do. I appreciate you trying some. They gonna try some of this too. But I want y'all to like, subscribe, hit that bell button, hit that bell button. What? Comment down below. Comment down below. And come back following OMG. What? Follow E. OMG. Who? Follow E. OMG. Yeah. Follow E. Who that be? Hell, that be me. Peace. Boom.